How to create a group in Tableau in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to create a group in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Creating a group in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. After connecting to a source, Tableau brings you inside a worksheet. The worksheet is the place where you build your visualization. Sometimes, to make your visualization clear, you may need to group some of your data. Creating a group in Tableau is straightforward. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, right-click on the field of interest, subcategory. Select Create, then Group. Lastly, select the members you wish to group, chairs and tables, and click Group. Now you can decide to include or not the other category. Then click OK. Tableau stores the result of your group into a new field. Before you go, let's verify together that the group field works as expected. Add subcategory group and subcategory in the rows. As you can see, Tableau organizes the data inside the view as expected. Congratulations! You are now able to create a group in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.